What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have the final update on Revell's F.U.S. 1967 Dodge Coronet, and we finally got everything in paint. So it's been a hectic few weeks, but I'm gonna come back from after Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I hope you didn't eat too much. I know I didn't. Well, actually I did, but besides that, let's get into this update. So yes, we got everything in paint. The chassis has been done for almost a week now. The interior I just finished, like literally 5 minutes ago before making this video. So let's go ahead and show you this before this thing is inside the body, and you're not going to see much of it anyway. So the interior, we did a basic black and white interior. You don't see too many black and white interiors that often in cars, and it looks fantastic. The seats are all white, door panels are black and white, kind of two-toned, and the dashboard is all black. The steering wheel is like a brown, like a light chocolate brown type deal. So it looks pretty cool. I did find a picture on Google of this car in this color interior, so I thought it was pretty neat. So I went ahead and replicated it. I didn't see no seatbelts in the picture I saw, so I was like, well, save me a job, no seatbelts. So I think it looks pretty good. It looks very cool, especially the body color I chose for the body over here, which I'll show you here in a minute. But this should be, yeah, that should be very cool. So the interior looks fantastic. Chassis has been done for quite some time now, but this is done almost. We just gotta do a little finesse of the interior, or the engine bay, once the body's on. But we do have the beautiful Hemi in there. I'll be honest, believe it or not, this is actually my first Hemi engine I've done in a model. Believe it or not. And quite crazy, but I thought the wiring engine would be kind of difficult to do, but it is actually probably the easiest engine to wire, because you don't have to squeeze a wire between the the exhaust and stuff through those vents and stuff. They're just on top of valve covers, so it's pretty neat. Hemi orange, typical. The filter was chrome, but I shipped it and I just repainted it. They were usually black or just engine color, so I just did an engine color. Just looks kind of cool. And then the body side, bottom side, there we go. Nothing too special, a little scuffed up. Got the, actually you saw it, but it did some weather in the oil, like engine oil and stuff all over it. So, and we got some scratches on the chassis, which has been used on the road. But yeah, it looks very cool. The dry shaft, I did do a little feature in it. It actually has carbon fiber. So I did the carbon fiber dry shaft. Can't speak. But yeah, I thought it was a pretty cool feature, so I did that. But the chassis looks fantastic. Nothing too special there. The wheels, if you saw my first update video, these aren't the kit wheels. These wheels actually came with the what year truck that is I just did last build. So these are the wheels from that, and they look fantastic. Shipped the chrome and repainted the chrome with the outclad, because it just looks more realistic and not as super shiny. So these look fantastic, and I got some Pegasus brakes I'm gonna put in there. And then all the other chrome parts have been stripped, repainted like I always do, such as the grille, bumper, and then the tail light assembly right here. It's actually pretty cool. But all this looks fantastic. Love how that looks. My camera doesn't like it. So, but the grille does need a black wash still. This camera's like, nope, I'm not gonna focus for you. Piss off. There we go. There we go. Very cool. Like I mentioned, I gotta do a black wash on the grille, but that is very cool. And then that's pretty much about it's done. I gotta show you the body real quick. Raise you guys up a tad bit. Body color. There she is. Looks fantastic. Silver. It's all done in silver. A light silver and like a dark silver by Splash Paints. And I just love it. I love how this looks. Looks very cool. 2K clear. I actually just cleared it also today, so it's still hardening. It's touch dry, but it needs to harden for a few more days. this camera does not want to focus on chrome and silver. So, that is pretty interesting. Let me move the box. There we go. Yeah, very cool. I'm really glad I did that. Two-tone silver, a light silver on the bottom, and like a darker silver on the roof. Very cool. I just love how that looks. I think that's pretty neat. But other than that, that's pretty much about it. Very cool car. Very cool kit. Kit's going together very well. No issues with it so far. Actually, at all right now. Really awesome kit by Revell. No issues, like I mentioned. A very cool kit, and it's pretty much almost time for it to be done. And I do want to mention this is going to be my last model for 2020, so that's pretty exciting because there's no way I'm going to get another one done by the end of this year because holiday season and all that fun stuff. So, and I haven't got too much bench time in last month and this month because November and December are probably the busiest month of the year. So I didn't really get too much done. So I just, like I mentioned, I just bought the interior done today, so, or 5 minutes before I'm making this video. So that kind of tells you I'm a little tight on space, or on time I should say. Space. But time. But like I mentioned, this is my last model of 2020. I'm going to get this finished hopefully this weekend, if not before this month. So, but I am going to come back with a slideshow because I always do a slideshow of my 2020, the whole year builds. So you'll be seeing that before the new year. And then I might do another video for Christmas, like a Christmas video. So I might do that, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much about it. I do, like I mentioned, this is my last model, so I'm not going to do any more updates. So I do want to do Unbox Mondays for you guys every single Monday of December. So I am going to do a community post, or a poll I should say, for models. I'm not going to have time to like unbox them all, so I might just put the 4 models. I might do 5, which one comes in first, second, third, or fourth place. Those are the ones I'm going to unbox. So first place will be unboxed this coming Monday. Next one, second place will be unboxed the following Monday, and so on from there. So, but I'm going to unbox all those kits in one day and probably just edit it all one day, just because I'm tight on time. And then just have them upload to YouTube and just have it auto post on YouTube for you guys. But that will be it for now. I'll explain more what's to come on my channel and probably a final review video on this thing. But until my next video, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.